Google Bard AI is an innovative artificial intelligence system developed by Google. It is designed to be a creative companion that helps users generate a wide range of content, including poetry, stories, songs, and scripts. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, Google Bard AI aims to assist artists, writers, and creators in their creative endeavors. In the year 2023, Google introduced a revolutionary AI system called Bard. Bard was designed to be a creative companion, capable of generating imaginative and engaging content. Today, we delve into the world of Bard AI and explore its remarkable capabilities. At Google I/O, Google announced that Bard will support Japanese and Korean and is on track for supporting 40 more languages soon. Google Bard AI has introduced several exciting new features. One of the notable additions is the expanded availability of the AI system. It is now accessible in over 180 countries, including India. This wider reach allows more users from diverse backgrounds to harness the creative potential of Bard AI. Furthermore, Google Bard AI has undergone significant advancements in terms of its capabilities. The introduction of PaLM 2, pre-training and language models, has enhanced the system's understanding of context, enabling more nuanced and sophisticated content generation. PaLM 2 enables the AI to have a deeper understanding of language, enabling it to generate more accurate and contextually appropriate outputs. Using Google Bard AI is a user-friendly experience. Users can access the AI system through an official interface provided by Google. By visiting the official link, users can explore various creative options, such as songwriting, storytelling, poetry generation, and script writing. The interface guides users through the process, allowing them to customize their preferences and generate content that aligns with their creative vision. To access Google Bard AI, you can visit the official Google website or the dedicated page for Bard AI. Here, you will find the necessary information and resources to start using the AI system and explore its capabilities fully. We will provide the links in the description of this video. Google AI Bard utilizes advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to generate creative content. It relies on massive datasets of existing songs, stories, poems, and scripts to learn patterns, styles, and structures. The AI system analyzes this data to understand the characteristics that make up compelling and engaging content. When a user interacts with Google Bard AI, the system uses this learned knowledge to generate suggestions and options tailored to the user's preferences. Through a combination of natural language processing, deep learning algorithms, and generative models, Bard AI assists users in their creative process, providing inspiration, generating content, and offering real-time suggestions to refine and enhance the output. While both Google Bard AI and ChatGPT are advanced language models developed by Google, they serve different purposes. Google Bard AI specifically focuses on creative content generation, such as music, stories, poems, and scripts. It provides specialized tools and features tailored to these creative endeavors. On the other hand, ChatGPT, which is also developed by OpenAI, including the GPT 3.5 architecture, is a more general-purpose language model. It is designed to engage in conversational interactions and provide information and assistance across various domains. ChatGPT is not specifically optimized for creative content generation like Google Bard AI.